Okay, so I'm here in my '09 VW Rabbit, and a common problem with these vehicles is that these dome lights right here at times will not turn off. So if you close the doors, I'm going to close that door, you can see even when I put the key in the ignition and start up the car, the lights do not go off. They should have gone off by now. You can play with the bulbs and the other things and they still don't go off. So I was reading a couple of the forums, and what they say is there's a loose screw underneath there, and that's what's causing the short. So what we did was, this is all ready to go. Pull this out, and sure enough, this screw right here is about ready to fall out. So we're gonna tighten this up, and we're gonna see what happens. And we're back. Tightened up the screw, installed everything back in. Check this out. Close the door. Boom. Nailed it.